Can you read it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Good until 11:45. Then finding.
Then finding?
Finding?
What's finding? No, Halas, what is this?
Unless I don't know.
You don't know what this is?
Find Friday. Not Friday. What's this? I don't know. I don't know.
Where do you put the milk when it's
And freezer.
in the what?
Freezer.
Fridge.
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 Okay.
Good job, Joe.